$301.22 in the past 24 hours today using this brand new affiliate marketing strategy with JVZoo. If you want to replicate this, make sure to stay tuned. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the channel Millionaire Mindset. On this channel, I am documenting my journey and creating videos every single day showing you exactly how I make money online, mainly with affiliate marketing, drop servicing, sometimes drop shipping, and creating content online, building a brand, building an audience. So if you want to get tons of free courses, tons of free value, free giveaways, such as this person on the screen over here who won yesterday's $10 cash giveaway, there you go. So there's another video happening today. In today's video, I'm going to give you $10 again. So if you want to win $10, make sure to comment down below your favorite quotes, your favorite inspirational or motivational quotes. Leave a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel and you can win that $10. But on my screen over here, I'm going to get straight into the strategy because I don't want to waste any of your time. I want you to take action with this straight after this video so that you can make these kind of results. Is the brand new affiliate product that I've been promoting through JVZoo. So this product over here is a tool that allows you to rank your videos, your YouTube videos in every single language in the world. What you do is they actually have a free training over here. You add your YouTube video to this tool called Lingoblaster.com. It translates all your videos, titles, descriptions, tags, even the captions to every single language in the world. So if somebody, for example, in Germany is searching in their language in German, how to make money online, you will pop up on their search terms simply because your video has now been translated to German, meaning you can now get 200 to even 300%, even maybe 400% more views, traffic, clicks on your videos simply because you're reaching a much bigger audience worldwide, suiting their various different languages. It's a very powerful tool. If you are a YouTuber, I do recommend it. It's about $36 once off amount. I'm not promoting this. I'm not an affiliate or anything for this tool. I actually use this myself, so I know. And you can come over to lingoblaster.com. I won't leave an affiliate link or anything like that. You can just have a look at this page yourself. As this tool says over here, you are ignoring 75% of your potential clients. And watch me, this guy actually shows live in this video, dominate page 1 for any niche with just 3 clicks and gets targeted traffic from buyer keywords. Click the play button to learn below over here. So what's nice is he gives you a live demonstration of the tool, making it easily understandable for your leads. Simply, we are going to be an affiliate for this tool, and it's a very easy tool to promote. Also, it's not expensive. It's cheap. It's something that people can afford, such as over here, it's $37. So it's affordable, meaning you will get lots of sales. It's not one of those high ticket products that take forever to sell. Also, I quickly just wanted to pop in and say, make sure that you watch this video until the end so that you can see how you can win my 6-figure drop servicing expert course that will teach you how you can get lifetime mentorship from me and how you can sell rare high income skills and services that take years to study, that take a lot of degrees to learn before you can learn those kind of skills, how you can now execute and sell without actually doing the work yourself and skip the whole system. It's a very interesting concept that I teach, so make sure to watch until the end of the video so that you can see how to get that. Alright, so we're back on my PC over here. In order to become an affiliate for this tool, you need to come over to this website over here called jvzoo.com. You'll see I'm currently logged in with my account over here. You do need to sign up an account. It just requires your email, your password, and I think a username. There's no application process. You can sign up immediately. That's why I've been using JVZoo for this video, because some people struggle to sign up on ClickBank. JVZoo is much easier than that, and the product that I've been using or that you need to use is on JVZoo. So all you need to do is click on affiliate products over here, click on find products over here. If I just open this in a new tab, I'm going to show you what this looks like. It takes you to a page like this where you can request and become an affiliate for all sorts of affiliate products on this affiliate marketing network. What you need to do is come over to the keyword bar over here and just type in Lingo. That's L-I-N-G-O. Click on enter. It will pop up over here with Lingoblaster 2. You can see over here, you're going to get $27 or $35 per sale that you make. The commissions is 50%, which is really, really high. That's very good. So if you make a sale for this software, they are giving you half their money and basically half their capital and revenue from this tool because they're paying really well. That's why I also like promoting this tool. All you're going to do is you're going to click on request link over here. I've already got my links. You're just going to click on get links. And all you need to do is you just need to type out a reason why you want to promote their tool. Just say you have a large social media following in the digital marketing niche. I'd like to promote your product as an affiliate and get some commissions and sales for both you and me. Once you've done that and you've been approved, your affiliate link will look like this. So you'll see if I go to this affiliate link, it will take me through to their landing page. And this page is then linked to my JVZoo profile. So when they purchase through this link, I get a commission of 50% when they buy this tool. Step number 2 is to keep your affiliate link open in this tab for now. The next step is you're going to come over to this website over here called parler.com, which is a brand new social media website right now that has really been hitting the books and been really going viral, similar to TikTok, except not really video content, but more, it reminds you more of Facebook, where you post posts, you can post little short videos, not really so much entertainment, more like an information social media website. So I just quickly want to show you that this website is a good source and is legitimate. All I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this website over here called similarweb.com, which does a background check around websites. So over here, I just want to show you how much traffic this website is actually getting. Right now, this website is getting over 44 million views per month. Just take a look at this. October, September last year, this website was kind of dead. For some unknown reason, in the beginning of 2021, this website has gone completely viral. I've personally made tons of course sales, tons of affiliate commissions, tons of other ways of monetizing my social media pages through parler.com and just posting on this app. So over here in January 2021, they hit 44 million views alone. Currently, the 1,219th biggest website in the world. Considering there's millions and millions of websites online, this is not a bad rank at all. Currently the 57th biggest website in its category and the 500th biggest website in the United States. And just have a look here, most of the traffic comes from United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Japan. So this is mostly, except I would say Brazil maybe, is first world traffic, meaning these are countries that have a lot of money, they have money to invest, they have money to learn. So that's why I like this website, because the traffic is very high quality and there's high value, because you can turn a lot of that traffic into sales and revenue. All you need to do is click on the create new account over here. Click on I agree. You just need to enter your email, mobile phone, and your password. Once that's done, you can go and log in with your account. And this is what your feed looks like. So very similar to that of Facebook. And you can see over here, people posting videos, YouTube videos, to their own blogs. So this person over here is quite smart. He's posting his videos on rumble.com. I know Rumble is like a smaller version of YouTube where you can also make money through posting videos. So this guy creates his videos and promotes them on parler.com. This guy over here as well, Rumble, this guy's promoting a blog. This guy is promoting, looks like some kind of blog as well. You can see you can follow a whole bunch of people on this. You can follow a whole bunch of people on this website. Let me just refresh my feed. Some people are promoting their, looks like their Instagram pages. Some people are making posting their TikToks here. Some people are posting random things over here. Some people are posting news articles over here. So you can promote anything you want to on this website. And what you can do is you can click on the Parley button over here and you can click on post to post your Parley. You can type something like this: watch me dominate page 1 on Google for any niche with just 3 clicks. But now what I want you to notice is if I go and copy, for example, my affiliate link over here, if I go click on copy and I come back here, you will see it will add an automatic link for you, which is great. So now what you need to do is just click on enter, and you want to come over to this tool over here called ingrammer.com, which is a tool that generates hashtags for Instagram or for any page you want to, or any social media platform, to get more virality. So over here you can put in a keyword. I just put in Google and it generates all of these keywords and hashtags over here. So let's go, for example, digital marketing, and let's click on generate hashtags. And over here you can go and add all of these hashtags over here. So just click on frequent and average and click on copy over here. Come back to your Parler page over here, paste all your hashtags, and you just want to click on submit. 10 seconds ago, I just posted it. What I suggest is vote up. You can leave an echo if you want to and repost it. You can put a comment if you want to, asking for people's questions or opinions, as that all boosts us and makes it go viral in the algorithm. The next step I'm about to show you is something that a lot of digital marketers won't tell you and won't actually teach you. It's something that I use and it really ups your game with affiliate marketing. Is you want to maybe create your own landing page that collects emails and names so that you can send out promotional emails, you build a subscriber list, and you can send out coupons, other affiliate products, and there's so many different ways that you can make money through an email list and through collecting emails. So now, not only you are making money through your affiliate link on JVZoo with this product, you're also making money off the email list that you are collecting through through your landing page. So to create a simple landing page like this, you can use a tool called Kartra.com. Over here, you get tons of done for you campaigns, checkouts, payment systems for you to get paid. You can collect Kartra leads, your Kartra email automation system, funnels and campaigns, membership areas. Very important tools for an online entrepreneur or if you want to become one. But I'm actually giving away over $5,200 worth of bonuses for free with Kartra. You don't have to buy Kartra, it is a paid tool. You just need to sign up on the trial and you can keep my bonuses forever with my affiliate link. So I will leave a link down below if you want to check out these bonuses. It's just to give you a boost and to help you out. I'm not throwing this tool in your face just to make money, but I use this tool myself. I host all my landing pages, I collect all my leads, I host all my membership areas. This tool is what runs my business online, and I've decided to help you and other people by giving away tons of bonuses, landing pages, funnels for you to use to promote and make money with. So make sure to go down below to the link in the description that says Kartra, and you can sign up for my bonuses there. This is what the back end looks like. I actually want to go back to my dashboard for you. Over here, if you come over to your dashboard, this is what it looks like. Click on My Pages over here, scroll down to the bottom, click on Page plus Page over here. Look at all of these done for you templates that you can go and import. You can run thank you pages, video sales pages, coming soon pages, product reviews, webinar registrations, membership logins, affiliate pages, legal pages. What I use is I came over to Squeeze Pages and I use this first template over here, which looks like this. So all you're going to do is you're going to edit your text. You can just type in here. You can use the same title of Lingoblaster's page and just paste this over here. So let's just highlight this, paste this over here, and you can paste this over here as well, just to add your text, get targeted free traffic. For this menu bar at the top here, you can actually go and delete this entire section. You don't need a menu bar. You can have it look like this. These check marks over here with all these details over here, I suggest just come back to your page over here and use these exact same ones that are over here. You can copy and paste. You are allowed to do that. So let's just go edit our text like this. For this video section over here, what I suggest is take a screenshot of this page. We can open this up in Paint over here. And you just want to select the rectangular selection tool and you just want to copy or crop this video like this. Click on crop over here and save this to your PC. Come back to your Kartra page, delete this video, and you want to come over to the component section over here. Click on images and drag over an image over here. Click on this image, click on the pen icon over here. Click on no image selected, click on upload image, upload this same image that we saved over here now on Paint. It will upload to your website like this. Choose this image over here, click on confirm and click on apply. And there you can see it now says click to play, but you don't want to add a link. You want to edit this form over here, click on the pen over here, and you want to choose, and you want to come back to Kartra, and you just want to create an opt-in form over here. If you come over to My Forms, it's very simple to do. You can just create a new form over here and select mail and email. Once you've done that, come back to your page over here, click on edit form, just choose your form, for example, this one over here, click on apply, and then you want to click on fields over here, then you want to click on button over here, and you want to click watch free video. And you want to click on apply. This section over here you can delete. Let's just delete this. This section at the bottom you can delete as well because we don't need any of this. We just want this section over here. So now people can get this free training. You'll get your own link to this page. Now on your Parlor page over here, instead of using your direct affiliate link, use your Kartra page link over here. So you just click on publish live, your link will pop up and you can go and collect emails of leads and promote other affiliate products on JVZoo and 3 to 4 times your earnings. The next step that I want to show you is come over to this website over here, which is the first link in the description. I'm going to give to you an entire 26-minute free masterclass training. I'm going to explain to you exactly what's in the 6-figure drop servicing expert course, my results from this course and all my sales that I made in 2020 from using the information that I teach in this course. And on this page, you'll see all the bonuses included in this course. It is mental the amount of value I'm trying to give away in this course. Over here, I give full lifetime access to my 6-figure drop servicing course. This is what it's valued at. I give you bonus number 1, an exclusive invite to my VIP drop service expert group, a list of my current top and future top 3 services that made me 6 figures in 2020, my winning Google ads and drop servicing combo valued at $1,000. I originally wasn't going to create a course on all of this because all of this works for me. But over time, I realized a lot of people were asking me for it in my DMs when I made some drop servicing videos on my channel, and they were asking for a course. This Google Ads and drop servicing combo personally generates me about 15 to 40,000 per month. Then my email marketing and drop servicing 60 days sequence super combo, which is included in the course. And then and then tons of ways to save tons of money with drop servicing, a tons of free targeted traffic tricks bonus module, and creating the ultimate brand that will sell your service even more, and then one-on-one video mentoring with me and drop servicing without a website case study, which was a cool module that I made. And then my 10th and biggest bonus, I actually give to you one of my done-for-you drop servicing agencies that personally made me over $98,000 in 2020 alone. I value this to be well over $9,000. The total value of this course comes over to about $19,470. Right now, I'm running a huge special on this course. It's currently going for $397 just to help out during the pandemic period. So when you get to the checkout page, which is this button over here, I'm going to open this in a new tab, copy this discount code over here. All you need to do is you'll see if you paste it over here and click on the check mark, it will take the course all the way down to $397. When you check out with this course, you will get your own login, private login to the membership area of this course. You'll get access to my Facebook group and all the content of the course over there. But what I suggest first is come over to the first link in the description. Make sure to watch this 26-minute free training over here to watch and understand what drop servicing is. It's much easier than it seems. It's all about selling rare high income skills and services without actually doing the work yourself. So this can become very passive. My top store made over $228,000. I probably run about 6 to 7 stores, different stores on a daily basis that bring in 6 to 7 streams of income. It's a very powerful concept. So definitely make sure to click on the first link in the description and I'll see you over here on this free training.